Hey guys, here's another video to help you with some graphics. So for this project, Project 3, you're being asked to find a background image and to add to it a number of other images that you get to choose to create your own picture. So I want to go over the basics of finding a good background image. Alright, so let's open a new tab. In Google, I'm going to type in a term. I'm going to type in Glencoe, Scotland, because it's usually picturesque. And remember, we want to narrow this down by clicking on images. And then we want to use our tools to look for a large image. And it gives us our results. And we have a lot of different thumbnails to choose from. So I'll just choose this first one. I'll click on it, and what I want to know is what's the size. You can find the size in the bottom right hand corner typically. This one is 1500 pixels, that's the width, by 1000 pixels, that's the height. Now that would not be a bad background. As a rule of thumb, for the projects that we're going to be doing in this class, you want these dimensions to be at least 1000. So at least 1000 by 1000. Okay, so something bigger is fine as well. Remember, just click on the image and then you can see the dimensions. Now this one, it's wide enough, but it's probably not tall enough. This one's fine. So in this instance, I will hotlink it. So I'm going to right click. I'm going to go to copy image address. I'll go over to photo editor with Pixlr. Click on the three lines. Load image from clipboard. Paste. And then there's the background, and you are ready to add your other images.